Hello.
Hey, hi, hi, Gayatri.
Hi, sir. So are we waiting for someone?
So no, only two people.
Surbi told that I think she won't not Surbi, Ganga won't be coming today. Surbi, I don't know.
She won't join in this session, or for today
Today's
she
session,
won't.
today's session she won't be coming. Ganga.
Okay. You're able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Hey, mom, I'm shared some files right with you. You have those files in a specific folder.
Which file?
Uh, Excel CSV file.
Yes, we have that.
Mm. Okay, see, each and everyone installed Power BI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you see, I'm opening Power BI. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Okay, you can close this thing. You don't need to share anything, and apart from that. Now, here, if you observe, enough in recent metrics, Microsoft Power BI is the most used and most important one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
and after that, the Tableau one. This is the Gartner's results. What you will do all the operations in the Power BI, you will connect and transform and analyze the huge amount of data, and you will build the relations. You will define and you will do the complex calculations. After that, on the finalized data, you will see the visualization.
Mm.
The
Same.
business. That is a thing, right?
It's same as Tableau, or that is there any difference?
Sorry,
The Power BI is same as the Tableau, right? Is there any difference?
Power BI is
Uh, No, it has the same functionality, but this is owned by Microsoft and Tableau is another.
Tableau. Tableau is owned by Salesforce,
Yeah,
and
that's
Tableau is a licensed one, right?
yes. That I know that. That I know.
Huh.
In the
Huh.
functionality, is there any difference, or why
Yes,
do we prefer?
yes. In Tableau and in Microsoft Power BI, the functionality will be little different.
Oh, okay.
There is no doubt and no doubt on it. Definitely, some functionality is different.
Okay.
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 And can you please open it and try to keep some specific settings? Okay. You're able to see? Where these things are, you're able to observe in which location?
1 second. So I can't see your screen.
You're not able to see my screen.
Yeah. Don't know what happened.
Yeah,
Now, now we can, I can see.
These options.
Yeah.
yes, sir. I saw a report, data, and model.
My system totally hanged today, sir. So I'm really finding hard to like open everything.
Okay, no problem.
So yeah, you can see these 3 symbols on the top.
Yes, on the left side.
Yeah, left side. Report, data, and model.
Model.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Along with that, if you want to connect the data, just see how many different ways are there.
Yeah, get data.
These are the different times. If you click on more, you will get more times. All these are free only.
Mm-hmm. So this is uploading the data set into this.
Yes, uploading the data. Yes, uploading the data set or connecting to the database. That
Okay.
whatever may be the database. For
Okay.
example, if you choose, if you see these all database, all data connections, Azure connections are there,
Mm.
Dynamo connections, GitHub. See how many categories.
Yes.
All these are free, but in
Mm.
Tableau, to connect to this many services, we need to pay $1,000 per year.
Why is it there, sir? Why does it has any specific requirement? Why does it has to pay a lot for that?
That is their tool. That is their strategy.
Okay. Now, if someone want to do, they can just go with the Microsoft, right? Why they want to go with the tablet? If they have the all, if the Power BI has some good features, advanced features, why people want to go for Tableau?
Hmm.
Is there any specific reason or something?
Mm.
That thing exactly. If you want to, discuss, Power BI is a little complex than Tableau.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's not too much, a little.
Okay.
Mhm.
Tableau is more user friendly.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
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 Hmm. Now I am selecting get data. I'm loading a specific data. Okay, adventure work. I'm loading in products. Now the screen, when you load the data, this particular screen you will get it.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, first what you need to do, don't directly load. First you need to check the data is CSV file. Based on the CSV file and the
Mm.
commas and all those things, it identified automatically how the
Mm-hmm.
data will be look like. If you see the information, it is saying based on the first 200 rows, I extracted this table from your CSV. Is there any mistakes? You can check. It is asking. Okay. Generally, it is sufficient, but for your explanation, based on the entire data set, do not data type, do not detect data types. See, based on first 200 rows, based on entire data set. Okay, based on entire data set, I'm asking.
So we don't need to change into Excel, right?
Yes.
Because this is a CSV file, right?
Yes.
So we don't need to change to XLS.
Okay. For example, you see, you got the dot. It is a CSV file. I loaded from the Excel. You can select the text as CSV.
Okay. Because I already changed all the file into XLS. That's why.
No problem. Not required.
Okay.
Transform data based on the entire data set. It's a preview. This is the data. Now I am choosing transform data. Now you will go to the Power Query. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, how you will look into the data in the initial stage? What type of analysis you will go through it?
Is it have any null values, like if it is properly aligned or not?
For example, product key.
Mm. Yeah.
Either categories or new categorical features will be there, numerical features will be there. Categorical features are represented in a categorical way, or numerical
Oh,
features represented in a way of numerical way.
numerical way.
Either
Okay.
those are maintaining in a proper way or not.
Proper way or
For
not. Okay.
example, product size, okay, 00 mlx. Product cost is in numerical.
Mhm.
Product price is also in numerical.
Mhm.
Okay, it's fine.
Mm.
Like that, that is a basic verification which we need to do. Okay. If you want to rename the table, you can rename here.
So do we have the as like data interpreter over there? Do we have any feature like here in Power BI?
Already I showed you, right? When we are loading, it is
Okay.
saying, it is giving the tabular form.
Okay.
It is looking into the data and it is giving the proper format.
Okay. With using the delimiters and all those things, it is properly.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. If you want to change the table name, this is the way.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll tell you some specific parts in the Power Query. You have a 3 main sessions in Power Query.
Okay.
Okay. This is the home. This is transform. This is add a column. In add a column and transform, you are able to see you are able to see same uh, options on the ribbon, tools ribbon. Okay. Transform means doing operations on the existing column. Add a column means adding a new column by performing some specific operations.
Okay.
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 Right. Now I will tell you some general Power BI basic table transformations. Okay. For example, see, we already loaded the data. We are in a transform stage. If you want to remove the, and you see, this is the table information. This is the macros. It will record what we are doing.
Okay.
Okay.
And
This is the query area.
okay.
Now, if you see, we'll try to remove this particular. Here, if you see, remove.
Columns.
Okay. If you see, remove columns. Operation is happened. You are not able to see the remove columns here. You are not able to see the product size. Okay. If I backwarded this step, you need to cancel this thing. Once again, the product size will come
Product
into
sizes came back. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, I already changed the table name. Okay. I want to sort the data based on the product cost. Okay. Here, if you see, I sorted. You're able to see the sorted. If I cancel,
Yes,
default stage.
default. Okay.
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 And if you see, all these are things. Now, I'm closing and applying the changes. Now, what we did, we loaded the data, we applied some changes, and we are
Data
arranging
transfer.
all those things in.
Ascending and descending.
You see, in this place, this particular table is formed.
Okay.
From here, we need to build or connect relations to another tables and all those things.
Okay.
In our analysis, only one table or one sheet is not sufficient, right?
Yes.
Definitely in multiple times, multiple data sources we'll use. By blending all those things, we'll design some reports to the business.
Okay.
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 Now, we observe. We're once again going
So,
through the
sir, one doubt, data blending now, what is actually data blending?
data blending means generally we'll extracting data from one specific data source.
Hmm.
That is data collection.
Okay.
If we are collecting data from multiple sources, multiple tables, and bringing the required columns and with some specific conditions and
Mhm.
making a one whole work, that is called data blending.
So data to having data from different data source
Different data source as well as different
tables.
tables
Okay. Okay. Okay.
to create a single objective.
So that is not, is it not a join, sir? So join is also the same thing,
No,
right?
no, no. If you want to join,
Hmm.
what is the condition?
A certain a common like a common column name should be there in both the tables in order to make the join.
Hmm.
And then if we give left join, we'll get the matched attributes and the
Hmm.
and all the attributes on the left table.
Joins means something but nothing but same sources, right? Same sources of the data.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay,
that's what.
don't worry. You
Okay.
got to know. You got to know. You will get a clarity once you did that particular operation. You
Okay.
already know joins, but if you did this particular data blending activity, you
Mm-hmm.
are able to get all these combinedly called as a data blending.
Also, we'll
Okay.
do data blending also, like
We
with
are
the.
already doing that thing. We are already doing that thing.
Okay. Okay.
Data blending is not a single step.
Okay. Okay. It needs
Data,
multiple.
yes, data blending is nothing but in data blending, merging, and all those are a very small part.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
Okay,
sir. Okay, sir.
right. You see, this is the data. Now I want to add another data. Okay,
Mm.
I'm selecting the transform data. Now already this data is there, right? I'm selecting here. If you see,
Mm.
I'm selecting customers.
Okay.
Okay, based on the entire data set. Okay, this is the customer information.
Mm.
Now Adventure Works customers. I'm renaming this into short form Adventure Works customers.
Look up.
Look. Now if you observe, we'll do some specific operations which will be not related to this,
Okay.
not related to here. If you observe, we already know how to sort, how to remove
Mm.
Mhm.
all those things. Now we'll see some text-based operation. Text-based
Can,
operations.
can we also select certain rows?
Yes, we can select.
Okay.
We can select alternate rows, for example, remove rows.
Okay.
You see,
So remove top rows.
remove bottom rows,
Bottom rows,
remove
alternate
alternative rows, remove duplicates, remove blank rows, remove errors.
rows. Okay. Remove errors. No, what is it, sir? Remove errors.
When you are loading any data, if you got any errors
Okay.
for that
Okay.
particular,
I got it. Okay. Okay.
okay, that type of situations.
Okay.
Now, if you see, I'll tell you this particular text specific operations, and I'll give some time. Okay, I'll give an exercise like that. You need to do number specific and date specific functions. Okay, just you need an explanation to explain the thing. It doesn't take not more than 5 minutes. But if I explain, it will be like a spoon feeding. Just you see, I'll show you about the text. For example, uh, prefix is there, first name is there, last name is there.
Okay.
Hmm? If you observe, prefix is not in proper format, right?
Mm.
M should be capital and R should be small.
Small. Okay.
You know, I am getting into the transform. Why? Because I want to change the existing and format, capitalize each word.
Oh.
Okay.
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 Now I'm selecting multi. With help of control or with help of shift, you can select multiple.
Okay.
And transform,
Transform. Format.
format, capitalize word.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to create a new column by combining all prefix and first name and last name.
Okay.
That is add a column, right? Add a column, and you need to select. If you select one column, the merge columns will be not highlighted. If you select more than one column, then only the merge columns will be highlighted.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, merge columns, and it will ask clearly. Separator, what separator you want to?
Space.
Yes. What is the column name?
Full name.
Full name. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
You see, this is the full name.
Okay.
Okay. So the new columns will be added at the end. Is it possible
Yes,
to
right.
move? Okay.
Yes, you can directly move to here if you want.
Okay.
Okay, anywhere you want, you can click.
We can just drag and move it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now here, you have what are the other operations? Okay, email address you have. You want to extract this particular John 24, and these are you can consider usernames. This is add a column only, right? You need to extract text before delimiter. I want. What is my delimiter? At the rate.
Symbol.
In advanced options, okay. No skips required from the starting of the input. Okay, right.
Okay.
And if you observe, what is the default name?
Text before delimiter.
I am renaming it.
Okay. Username. Okay.
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 And once again, I came to here. I'll try to find out extract text between delimiters. One delimiter is at the rate,
Another one is
and another dot.
dot.
Why?
Hyphen
Because I want to fetch the domain name.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Now we'll see. Adventure works. Adventure works. Adventure works.
Yes.
Okay. Rename.
Okay.
Okay. I don't like this particular domain name. Why? Because this is not in a proper format.
Format.
Then what I'll do?
This
In
format.
which mode I need to go? Transform.
Transform. Format.
Okay. Format and
Capitalize each word.
capitalize each word.
Word.
Before capitalize word, what you need to do?
We have to
You need
go.
to replace that dash with a space, right?
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Then we have to go for replace or something.
Okay.
Okay.
Where you are able to see replace values in the
Replace
transform.
values. Yeah.
What value we need to find? Dash. What
Reference.
value we need to replace with? Space.
space.
Okay.
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 Now what you need to do? Format, capitalize
Capital.
each word.
Each word.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we're applying. Once again, going into the home and close and apply. Now you're able to see two specific tables in the relation.
Yeah.
We didn't build the modeling, but even though you're able to see two.
Two tables. Okay.
Okay.
From single data source, we are having two tables. Is that so, sir?
Not these are
Or
the
two
different data.
different data source. Okay.
Different, not data source. These are the different tables.
Okay.
For these tables, we need to find out and we need to create the relation.
Okay.
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 Now we have a data. We have a transform data. And now I want to do some specific things at here. Okay. In products, I want to do some multiplications or I want to see some statistical applications. Now then what I'll do? If you observe transform add column, what is the result of the statistic? You will get a single number results, right? For example, if you observe product lookup and if you see the statistic,
Mm.
sum or minimum or maximum or median or standard deviation or count values or count distinct values. How many product keys are there?
293.
293.
If you don't want to see this step, you need to cancel.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
How many product? Okay, we will see the product SKUs. Product SKUs. Is there any statistic it will be applicable? Yes. Which one will be suitable? That type of things only will be highlighted. You need to remember and the entire Power BI functionality.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, count of distinct values. How many? 290.
293.
If you don't want to see this step,
Mm.
okay.
Mm.
Okay. For example, you want to create, we'll try to create a new column. You can find out max values and minimum values also in the same way. And you can revert back those things. I want to add a new column on the product price. Maybe multiplication, multiply. And what type of multiplication I'll do with a 0.8%. Okay, right. What does it mean? It is nothing but a discounted price. Why discounted price? This is the
80%.
product price and
Mm.
this is the discounted price, 20% discount.
Mm.
Just a created for the for our usage to explain the functionality. Like that, with help of standard, you can create. You see, statistics is not applicable on this thing in the
Mm.
add column. Okay.
Okay.
Right, like that you can do, for example, okay, you will select these 3, 2, 3, and in the transform, you can able to see rounding, round up to 2 decimal places. Okay,
Okay.
now it's, now what we did. Okay, that's it, average and minimum and maximum values. Okay, and another thing, you know what you need to do after performing these things?
Close and apply.
Okay, now what you need to do? Transform data and here new data sources, text as CSV, and I'm selecting the calendar. I hope it has only one column. Okay, done. Now it will be open with the transformation. Okay. Now we can able to extract in multiple ways from this particular date. I'll show you. You will change the name. Adventure work. Okay. Now see, if you observe, add column. Date is there, right? A functionality.
Mm.
You observe year, start of the year. For each and every date, start of the year it will get. Once again, I'm selecting this date, year, end of the year. You can, if you want to populate, you can populate. Once again, you need to select the main one. Year, just only the year you want. Okay.
Okay.
Once again, you can select this. If you want to select month, name of the month, you can select. If you want to select days in month, end of the month, start of the month, you can select which month. Once again, you need to select it. And if you want to select a week of the year, you can select how many weeks in a year, that is. If you want to select a day, name of the day also you can select. You're able to see how many features are there
Yes,
in
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the things. But it will be easy when, if you practiced.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
when you need to move to the home, when you need to move to the transform, when you need to move to the add column.
Okay.
Okay. A Power BI will complete in next week.
Okay. Sir, with Tableau, we are having some doubts.
Yes, we'll discuss.
Okay.
You please collect all the doubts and keep it yourself.
Okay.
After discussing the Power BI class, we'll discuss the Tableau doubts.
Okay, sir. Okay. I'll note what are all the things
Yes.
I'm having doubt and I'll, okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Sir, regarding class, you told we'll discuss today.
Uh,
That
for
session.
all the people not possible, right? They're saying the people who are attending. Ganga is attending the class.
Today she was not there, sir. Should be me and Ramya that only there.
Okay, Surabhi also joined.
Yes,
We
sir.
can discuss and if
Yes.
possible propose me another time in my evenings. You know why? Because it's being
Sir, actually, today we
okay.
didn't have classes, right? So do we have any makeup class or something?
Sorry.
Yesterday we didn't have class, right? So do we have any makeup class or something?
Like, so we are ready to have class on Friday also,
Possible.
if it is possible for you.
I'll tell you, but if it is in a Friday class, definitely it would be on uh, uh, my IST evening only.
Okay, Friday morning.
Okay.
Sorry, for us it will be
Morning.
Friday evening, no, for us Saturday morning.
Oh,
Sorry, Friday morning. Correct. Friday.
Oh, yeah, are we talking about tomorrow, Friday morning?
Yeah, he's telling. I hope.
Oh, no. I can.
okay, sir. We will discuss it and
Okay, sir, we'll
we
discuss
will
and let you know.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.